And welcome back to another organising, sorting, cleaning, tidying kind of video. Today it is the office. This is kind of like the office area, but there's also like, obviously it's like stock and stuff as well. So today I'm going to be tackling this absolute disaster. Like, oh my god, it's going to take me forever. So excited about the advent calendars. I'm ready to start doing like filming with them and stuff. Cannot wait. But we need to get everything in here sorted and tidied so that it's all ready for the Christmas stuff. Halloween is still up, so that needs to come down. And then the area is going to be ready for Christmas decorating. And that's probably going to be the next video after this. So it's kind of like a part 1 and part 2 in the sense that I think I'm going to do like... This video is like getting the room ready to decorate for Christmas. Then the next video is going to be decorating for Christmas. I'm so excited. So I'm gonna get straight on with it, you guys. I'm gonna try and do it in the speed kind of way and just tackle an area at a time. So like I might just tackle that area and then move on to the next area. So in fact, first things first, let's take the Halloween stuff down. Okay, so that's the Halloween stuff down. I'm going to keep this and put it in my bedroom because I just think it's really cute. It's just like a little tea light holder, but I'm going to keep that in my bedroom. So that is that little bit done. And now I'm thinking just move on to trying to just do something with this area and then on to the next. So let's do that one first. And then I am going to have to charge this camera because it's dying again. Look at the state, guys. It's such a mess. Right, so the camera is going to die, so I'm going to charge it. But then I'm going to move on to... So I've done that area there. These palettes actually that are here I need to put in their drawers. Right, so I'm going to wipe everything down at the end. So let's move on to the next area. Right guys, so I had to charge my battery for like a little bit because it was all dead. But I'm now going to move on and do like these areas here and like this. Like a lot of it has been, like over there's looking much better now. I don't actually have like completely have home. So what I'm going to do is things that don't belong here, I'm just going to move to a different area. And then I'll move to that area and move things around. And then I'll find places for things, if that makes sense. So let's go. Right, okay, so this area is looking loads better now. I do tend to just like move things from one place to another, like that magazine. I don't know where it goes, so I've just shoved it over there for now. By the way, you might be able to just see in that corner 2 more of my advent calendars have arrived. So I think I've got all of my advent calendars now ready for when I'm going to be unboxing and that, which is really exciting. So I cannot wait for that. So I'm now going to move on to the next area, which is going to be somewhere... Where should I put you? This area here. So, yeah. Let's do it. Okay, so for now, that is going to do for that. It's just, it looks a lot neater and more organised than it did before. I don't really have like set places for all the things on here yet. This is going to come into like the organising side of it. This is kind of more of, it is organising, but it's more of a like a speed clean, like a spring clean. I know it's not spring, but you know what I'm saying. I'm just trying to get things ready for Christmas. But all these drawers here, I need to have a massive sort through of everything. That is a job that needs to be done, just not right now. So moving on to the next area. So let me just show you what we're working with now in terms of like the rest like of everything. So these are all bags that need to be hauled, like Primark. I've got B&M stuff. So I think for now I'm just going to put it all in the corner like neatly, and hopefully in the next like week I'm going to be doing these hauls, and then everything can be put away properly. So it's looking better. I have like my felting stuff and I don't know where to put it, or like where the holes for this can be. But I think for now, I've also got the dreads that I made. I think for now they can just go in one of these drawers down here that are empty, because I do need to eventually sort through everything and get places for everything, and yeah. Okay, so there's a bit more kind of like progress going on now. Right, so I have a few things to take downstairs and then it's time to vacuum. Okay, you guys, so this room does need... Okay, you guys, so this room does need more work doing to it. It's not perfect. There's still a few bits that need moving. However, I'm actually quite happy with our progress. I don't know if you guys can remember what it was like before. There was stuff everywhere. All in here, all in there was covered in stuff. All in here was covered in stuff. Those I'm just going to put by the windowsill out of the way. They are my new calendars as well. I'm very excited about them. And there was stuff all over the floor and just everything. So now we have got a little bit more order. And yes, so I'm going to do, obviously, wipe over all the tops and everything. But I think for now, for this video, that is going to be it. And it is then going to be time to get the Christmas stuff up. I'm so excited. So that will be, the, like, kind of, I guess, a part 2 to this video will be putting out the Christmas decorations, and I hope you guys will join me for that as well. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. This is probably one of my favourite rooms in the house. It's where I come and I get all my work done, and I just love it. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. I love you guys so, so much. If you're not already subscribed, please hit the subscribe button. Vlogmas is going to be so much fun, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!